can the words fried and food not put a smile on your face? There's something about fried food that just says love to me. It's like, here, enjoy. The first thing that comes to mind when I think fried is churro. A churro is like crunchy on the outside and gushy and creamy on the inside. It's the perfect bite when you're looking for something sweet. And when you get down a pat of choux dough, you feel like you can do anything, anything. And if I can do it, you can do it, trust me. I boil butter, water, salt, sugar, then add flour, and stir, stir, stir. It becomes this luscious, creamy, buttery, eggy dough. Pat of choux sometimes can seem like it's a really tricky dough to make because it is tricky, it's a heated dough. Once you get it down, it's magical, like a pillow, beautiful. As the dough cools, you add the eggs one at a time so they don't scramble. And you gotta stir, stir, stir. Keep stirring. There you go. When my dough is done, I put it into a pastry bag and it's ready to fry. So the hot oil that I got going in here is about 350, and you'll see that I have a star tip because that's gonna give it the ridges that all those churros have. Get that out. And you roll those churros while they're still warm in a mixture of sugar and 5-spice and cinnamon. Golden brown, delicious, warm, coats your tongue so good. Those churros are great for when you're at home, but when you're going out, we got the info you need.